Hello guys, once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Crypto Daily. In today's video, we are going to answer a secret code for a treasury as I used to provide it daily. If this is the first time to cross my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload the video. So as you can see, like the code of the day, like for today, was different with the other one that we used to participate in, like previous one. So at the code for the day was like in the theater, but the previous one we used to get the hint in the follow. But today we are going to get the hint in the theater. So as you can see, like here is a box which is a package, like package of the main projector that will show us the code that we are going to figure it out here. So let's click on the box. So as you can see, like it has been shown us like this, which is fall through. So what to do is to come this section which is quest, so that we should import it our code. So all we need to do again, we have to come for activities. Always we have to come and put this party preparation. So let's click on it. So when you click on it, all you need to do is to put the code which is fall through. So let's click on check. Congratulations, we have been imported the code correctly. So all we need to do is to click continue. So we have been collected successfully. So and then again, they provide a new tag flags. Uh, like they brought a new tax which is to share the in the claim, like a tax that you have participated on the day. So you have to share it in your story so that you'll be getting like extra 15 points. So here it is. If this is the first time to cross my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video.